It's Mom Box Swap. In today's video, I got my mom box and I'm so excited. We're gonna open it up together. Welcome to Plan, Prep, Pray. Hey girlie, my name is Wendy and I am a homeschooling stay-at-home mom of 4 little ones, and on this channel I talk about all things homeschooling, homemaking, mommy self-care, and kids empowerment. So subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss a thing. This is the 4th annual Mom Box Swap hosted by Rachel from Day to Day Joys, and this is my first time doing the Mom Box Swap and I am so excited. I actually sent a box over to Deanna and I have no idea who sent me my box. We're about to find out together, and I will have both channels linked down below so that you can see their boxes and see what I sent Deanna and see what my person got. So definitely check out those 2 videos after this, as well as all the other moms in the Mom Box Swap, and see what all of these moms got to make them feel a little special. So there were actually 40 moms that participated in this Mom Box Swap, and there was a $25 to $30 budget. So I'm super excited to see what I got and see who it's from. So I got this cute little card. I don't know if you can see it, and it says, "Hey girlie." So that's super exciting. Look how beautiful. Oh my gosh, gorgeous. Oh, how beautiful. It's from Rachel, from Real Housewife Rachel. Rachels are awesome. So it's from Rachel. It says, "Wendy, it has been so fun getting to know you by watching your videos over the last couple of weeks. I absolutely love your content. You have a beautiful smile and radiant joy and positivity in a world where we really need it. I hope you enjoy this box of goodies that I made and picked out for you. Be blessed. Much love, Rachel." Aww. Thank you, Rachel. You make me feel super, super special. So keep in mind, ladies, Rachel's channel and her video will be linked in my description. Let's see. So she's got everything wrapped in these super cute, oh my gosh, I love her. She's got everything wrapped in these super cute packages. I am so excited. Okay, so let's get started. So the first thing, let's open it up. It says on the tag, "Pucker up and give hubby a kiss." Aw, he's gonna love that. Aw, love. Ooh, deep renewal. It's a bliss text. Yes, yes, because you know these bad boys, they need some moisturizing. So cute, and it came with this little keychain, key ring to put it in. How cute is this? Oh my goodness. And I'll tell you a little secret, ladies. My hubby's favorite, my hubby's favorite part of my body is my lips. So thank you, Rachel. He's gonna love that you thought of that. Oh my gosh. How cute. I'm actually opening it up so I can show you guys. And you put it right in here. How cute is this? I've never seen something like that. How cute is that? So cute and thoughtful. I love it. All right, next, let's go. So this says, "Time to get comfy." It's like she knows me. I love being comfy. I actually live in my robe, so I love being comfortable. Oh, what is this? Yes. Ooh, how'd you know my size, Rachel? How'd you know my size? Oh, yes, they're so comfy. They're like, oh, you guys, this material is like butter. Oh my gosh, it feels so, so good. Yes, how much fun is this? She got my personality. I love it. Oh my goodness. Oh, that feels so good. Yes, Rachel. All right, lastly, it says, write it down with a new favorite pen. Ladies, I'm a sucker for a good pen. I am a planner by nature, and I love all things planning and pens and notebooks and I have a love for all things stationery. A good paper. Let's see. Oh, Rachel, do you make these? Here, let me show you guys. Hold on. Oh my gosh. So much in here. Let me use the scissors. Why don't I use the scissors? Look. Wow. It's like the same thing that the lip balm came in, but like, ooh, Rachel, we need to talk. These are so cute. Like a little book holder. And then you can put your pens in here. Yes. Look at that. Oh my goodness, I love it. And then, I already started opening it. I got two super cute Sharpie pens. And ladies, if you ever want a good pen that writes amazingly well, it's a Sharpie pen. Yes, and they're gel. Gel Sharpie pens are the best. Thank you, Rachel. Oh man, girl, you got me down to a T. I'm comfy. I got my pen. My lips are ready. Hubby happy about the lips. Look at this, guys. So the pen, it's like a little pen holder. I love this because a lot of times journals don't have a place for you to hold your pen. And so you can put your pen in here and then attach it. I think she makes these because there's no way. These are so cute. I've never seen anything like it before. Look at this, and a journal. It's got like a little magnetic thing. The flamingos. I'm from Florida. Yes. Pretty sure, I think our national bird is an ibis, but come on, everybody knows Florida is about the flamingos. Look, and a journal. I love a good journal. Yes. Thank you so much, Rachel. I'm so excited. Rachel, thank you so much for that box. I loved it. I loved everything in it. You really got to know me. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. It made me feel super special. Ladies, don't forget to check out all the other awesome homeschool YouTube moms on this playlist. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell. I post videos 3 times a week, and I will see you next time. Bye. The flamingos. I'm from Florida. Yes. Pretty sure, I think our national bird is an ibis, but come on, everybody knows Florida is about the flamingos.